Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix Wise payment failed error. First, check your account's balance or link payment method to ensure you have enough funds. Next, verify that your card or bank details are correct and up to date. Then, make sure your bank has not blocked your transactions for security reasons. Next, you can also try using a different payment method to complete the payment. Then, check your internet connection as interruptions can cause payment failures. After that, sometimes payment fail due to temporary system issues, so wait a few minutes and try again. If the problem continues, contact your bank or Wise support for further help. That's how you fix Wise payment failed error. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.